No! I got this for the first time!
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued
Oh my god!
Central Coachella County in the Piedmont of North Carolina.
This is big for me.
Iredell County in the Piedmont of
Sorry
North
for my
Carolina.
reaction.
Southeastern Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina. Northwestern Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Tornado.
At 11:33 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 10 miles west of Lake Ellington, Oregon, 6 miles northeast of Bellwood,
They just issued a tornado warning.
at 60 miles
I
per
need you
hour.
ready, I need you ready.
Locations impacted include Hickory, Newton, Taylorsville, St. Stephen's, Conover, Stony Point, Claremont, Love Valley, Lookout Shoals Lake, and Mountain View. A tornado is likely developing. Seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest level of a house or office building. Place as many floors and walls between you and the outside as possible. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville, Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Catawba, Iredell, and Lincoln.
Woo. This is weird. Something happened. Is it repeating? Oh, I think that's it. I got scared.
I didn't know them,
We just got tornado warning
but I think
on our TV. Tornado warning.
Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles
It's
per hour.